What if an AI could build your entire affiliate website, write the content, add monetization, and start generating commissions, without you creating anything manually? Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what Affiliate Engine AI claims to do. So in this honest review, I'll show you what it really is, how it works, what's inside, and whether it's actually worth your money, plus I'll give you my exclusive bonuses if you decide to get it. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're interested in affiliate marketing, passive income systems, or AI tools that automate online businesses, this video could save you a lot of time and money. Today we're reviewing Affiliate Engine AI, a new SaaS tool designed to help beginners create affiliate income streams using artificial intelligence. Let's break it down step by step. What is Affiliate Engine AI? Affiliate Engine AI is a cloud-based software that uses artificial intelligence to help you build complete affiliate sites automatically. Instead of designing websites, writing blog content, doing SEO manually and setting up monetization, the platform aims to handle most of that for you using AI automation. You simply choose a niche, follow the setup process, and the system creates a ready-to-use affiliate framework. It's designed especially for beginners who don't have technical skills. Benefits: why people are interested. Here's why tools like Affiliate Engine AI are getting so much attention right now. Saves massive time. AI helps generate content, structure, and site elements in minutes instead of weeks. Beginner-friendly. No coding, no design, no experience required. Automation focus. The system is built to reduce manual work and simplify the affiliate process. Multiple niches. You can explore different markets and create sites around topics people are already searching for. Cloud-based. Nothing to download. Works from anywhere. For people just starting out, that simplicity can be a big advantage. What's inside Affiliate Engine AI? Inside the platform, you'll typically find AI-generated affiliate site setup, automated content creation tools, monetization integration, niche selection support, and traffic and growth strategy guidance. The goal is to help users launch an affiliate site quickly and then focus on growing it over time. Now let's be real. This is not a get-rich-overnight system. But if used consistently, it's designed to help you launch faster, build content quicker, and focus on traffic and growth. And one reassuring part is that the product includes a 30-day money-back guarantee, which gives you time to test the platform and decide if it's right for you. Honest pros and cons. Let's be real. Pros: beginner-friendly, AI automation saves time, no tech skills needed, cloud-based system, and 30-day refund protection. Cons: still requires effort and patience, results depend on niche plus traffic strategy and not instant income. But overall, it can be a strong starting point for someone who wants to explore AI-powered affiliate systems. If you decide to get Affiliate Engine AI through my link below, you'll also get my exclusive bonus bundle free. Bonus 1, Instant Commission Booster Toolkit. A complete toolkit showing how to supercharge your AI-built affiliate sites, improve conversions, and optimize your setup using ready-to-use strategies and automation templates. This helps turn traffic into real commissions faster. Bonus 2, AI Traffic Explosion System, a step-by-step guide to generating consistent traffic using AI-powered SEO strategies, content automation methods, and viral marketing techniques. Traffic is the hardest part of affiliate marketing. This bonus focuses exactly on that. So, is Affiliate Engine AI worth it? If you're someone who wants to start affiliate marketing but feels overwhelmed by the technical side, this platform can be a helpful starting point. It simplifies the process, saves time, and gives beginners a structured path. And with the 30-day money-back guarantee plus the bonus bundle, the risk is low. Click the link in the description. Check out Affiliate Engine AI, unlock your bonuses, and explore how AI can support your affiliate journey. Thanks for watching, see you in the next review.